From surface operations to underground operations to processing facilities, we provide and design cables and assemblies that provide a solution to each one of those. The mining industry is very harsh, and you've got trucks and you've got rocks and you've got all sorts of things that are going to be affecting the cable in specific ways, whether it's flexing, abrasion, impact, chemical exposure, all sorts of things that eat away the jackets of the cable. And we've designed our cables to withstand all those harsh applications, whether it's on a shovel or whether it's on a high voltage line and we need to jump from the high voltage line down to an E-house and the E-house to the generator, whether it's a drill and all those cables that are inside the hose that go up to the top of the drill, we can do top drives. We've done applications where we've run from the panel all the way down to the pumps down at the bottom. Anywhere from attaching to the equipment to the cables that go down into the mine. We can do all those types of things. When a cable that a customer has or a mine has that's off the shelf and it fails, we reverse engineer it and we make it better. We call it our custom cable solutions. Whether it's on a linear cable or whether it's on an assembly, we make sure that we're building a solution around the failure point or the problem. Your current product was lasting 3 months. Your assembly that you got from Amphenol TPC Wire Cable is lasting 6, 8, 10, or 12 months. That goes directly to the bottom line. That's what we want to do as a company, as Amphenol TPC Wire Cable, is we want to reduce the downtime. We want to make sure your uptime metrics are met, and we want to make sure that you realize cost savings over the long run.